Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Portmore. We're on Dawkins Drive now. We're going to be turning left onto George Lee Boulevard, and George Lee Boulevard will take us all the way down to Port Henderson Road. So this is George Lee Boulevard now. This area is like a mini bus stop, transportation center. That's where people gather to get buses and taxis. On the left is the Mega Mart in Portmore. And this road, the George Lee Boulevard, was named after the former mayor of Portmore. Okay, on the left is the Edgewater area. It's a very large community. One of the first communities in Portmore when Portmore is being developed. On the right is Bridgeview. So basically on the left is Edgewater, and on the right is going to be the Bridgemount area, sorry. It's not Bridgemount, Bridgeport. Bridgemount is in Stony Hill, Bridgeport. And these are two of the largest communities or neighborhoods in Portmore. And there are also two of the first communities. Portmore has a very large population, and it's not a city, it's a municipality, and it's on its way to becoming a parish. So it's going to be the 15th parish in Jamaica. Currently it's in the parish of St Catherine, but Portmore is so developed and it's so large that everybody has agreed that it's going to become a parish on its own. So on the left is still the Edgewater community, and on the right is the Bridgeport community. So Portmore has a population of over 100,000 people. It's the fourth largest town in Jamaica, or municipality. The only places that have a larger population than Portmore is Spanish Town and Kingston. So on the right is the Bridgeport High School. So it's just a matter of time before it becomes the 15th parish. If anybody knows how far they've reached, let us know in the comment section. I'm not sure how far or what's holding it up, but I think both political parties agree that Portmore should be a parish. I think the Parliament has agreed. It's just the what you call it now, the procedure to follow. So I'm not sure what's taking so long. Okay, so we're just going to take a quick tour through Bridgeport, and then we'll take a quick tour through Edgewater. So this is the Bridgeport area. As I said, it's very large, and it was one of the first communities built in Portmore. Alright, we're down turning onto Eberly Drive, and this is where you're going to find police station. Now on this road, if we turn right, we're going to the police station. But we're just going to tour the community. So both this Bridgeport and Edgewater, along with a lot of other communities, are right around the mall, the Portmore Mall. So that's one of the reasons why the mall does so well, because it's surrounded by these large residential communities. Okay, straight across the road is Westport. We're going to head back to George P. Boulevard. And Spanish Town has a larger population than Portmore, but Spanish Town is like the landmass of Spanish Town. It's not as big as Portmore. Portmore is more laid out, and Portmore was actually developed after Jamaica got independence, while Spanish Town was founded back in the 16th century, maybe before, because it was the capital of Jamaica when the Spanish controlled Jamaica. So Portmore is like the first modern, I want to use the word city, but it's not officially a city. It's the first modern town that was developed or founded when Jamaica became independent. So it's well laid out, so that's why Portmore, it's so much easier for Portmore to become a parish than say Spanish Town that has a larger population. We have lots of videos of Spanish Town up on the channel, so you can search for them and take a look. Alright, so at this intersection we're coming up to now, we turn right, we take Port Henderson Road to the Greater Portmore area, and if we turn left, we would go on to Back Road or Fort Augusta Drive, but it's more popularly known as Back Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.